Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to get your email inbox down to 0 without using any apps or gimmicks. And a huge shout out to Evan for giving us the privilege to tackle her mountain of emails. And the goal here is simple. We are going to take a 4-step approach to clean this mess up, and we'll do it by archiving everything, creating one single urgent folder, aka a label, creating filters, and unsubscribing from all the garbage. And so without further ado, let's get cleaning. Let's select this box up top and we will archive all conversations. Since we're working in Gmail, we want to make sure we hit archive. Archive, archive, archive. We don't want to delete anything because after a while those will go away. Now keep in mind, the more emails we have, the longer the loading time will be. I think it took a couple minutes for everything to get resolved, but also notice that it takes a few different tries to get everything completely archived. And to get everything out of the inbox, we'll work on the social tab as well. And we'll go ahead and take care of the promotion tab too. And there you have it. Now we're going to create a place to put all our urgent items, anything we have to take action on. So let's click on More and create new label. And as urgent items come in, we can simply label them as urgent and move them to that area.
And you can do this manually, or you can automate it, which we'll show you how to do in a moment. Now let's start setting up filters to manage the emails that are coming in. But before we create a filter, the method that we use when an email comes in is simple. An email is either urgent, non-urgent, important, or not important. And like I said before, if the email requires action, then it is urgent. Let's say that there's a bill that needs to be paid or an itinerary for a trip that's coming up next month. These are actionable items, and we need to keep these in a safe place where we will remember to take care of them. And whether the email is urgent or not, we have the ability to star that email to show that, hey, this is a high priority item that lets us take a look at what we should knock out first on our to-do list in the urgent box, or if we're searching for what's important in our archived emails. Now back to the label. What we want to do is filter out anything that is not urgent. And so, for example, let's say that this specific email is important, but we don't really need it to hit our inbox. What we can do is grab the sender's address, enter it in the search bar, and click on the down arrow to create the filter. So here we can create a rule to have certain emails skip the inbox and automatically become archived. Also notice how you can automatically star an email, apply a label, forward it, or delete it. Now, as new emails come in, let's take a look at every single one of them. That way we can determine what we should do with it. And assuming that this email is spam, let's go ahead and unsubscribe. And I can finalize it straight from their website. And that's all there is to it. So I hope this video was helpful in getting your inbox down to 0. And for other tips and tricks when it comes to automation and automating your life, join us at getautomated.net or join our social media channels, links in the description.